Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. It can be described as a blend of red and purple, with a touch of brown, creating a dark, wine-like appearance. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as Merlot, 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 Merlot. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as Merlot, 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 Merlot. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Merlot, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.